Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Moulinex CE753827 Multi Cooker. I'm really excited to show you what is inside the box and share my first expression with you. Inside the box, we also get the inner cooking pot, steam tray, rice spoon, measuring cup, power cable, and user manual. The inner cooking pot feels solid and good quality. I also like that the cooker has multiple cooking functions, so it can be used for rice, soup, stew, steaming, and many other recipes. Overall, my first expression is very positive. It looks practical, convenient, and suitable for everyday cooking. In my next video, I will also test this cooker with actual cooking recipes. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.